What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about the TFVPM. What's up with the TFVPM? So we finally have the Falcon plan, okay? So the Falcon plan, it's a plan where the project cycle only lasts 12 hours. And guess what? The estimated earnings are staggering 1.2%, which is crazy, okay? So if you do two plans a day, so that's 2.4%, right? Sweet. And also, as you can see right here, this thing right here, it's a roulette where you can earn some potential dough, okay? So 10 cents, 10, 20, 50, okay? So this one right here, I don't really know. But the way it works is the energy bar takes 2 to 3 hours to fill up. And once it's full, you can get one chance to spin the wheel. Okay, come over here, enter now. All right, and if you land on one of these ones right here, you will earn a little bit of USDT. Okay, so how does it work? Okay, the Falcon plan is right here. This one is very busy. Man, I would like to jump on this one. This one is the 7-day plan or 5-day plan, I believe. But it's constantly busy, right? So you have to add up more funds in order to get into these ones right here. So just a reminder, this one is a 7-day plan, and you have to invest a minimum of 1K, okay? And at the moment, I don't have 1K. I only have 200 and something bucks. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to test this Falcon plan because this one right here is actually not worth it because it's just 1 day cycle, right? So, and your potentially earnings will be 1.3%, whereas the Falcon one, is just 12 hours, right? 12 damn hours, and you potentially will earn 1.2%. Okay. And over here, we have the broker income. Okay. So if you have people under your referral link, you'll get 0.7%, 0.07% from the deposits, 2 stars, 0.05%, and 3 stars, 0.03%. Okay. Cool, right? So how does it work? Very simple. So it's the first time that I'm going to run this project, this plan, Falcon plan. All you got to do is come over here and select the amount. So my balance is right here, 232. Okay. Actually, I might skip this one right now because this plan will be unlocked around 2 a.m. in the morning and I'll be sleeping. So if I don't reinvest, I'll be losing money. um, oh, screw it. I'll go all in, right? So I'll go all in. I'll confirm this, and I will hit confirm. Okay. So when you hit confirm, that means it's done. Okay. So as you can see right here, it's pending right now. So once you got a tick, that means it has been approved, and we are rolling. We are in. As you can see right here, once it's approved, okay. So it's 1:40 p.m. right? So it's going to be unlocked at 1:40 a.m. So 12 hours later, okay? And if you come over here to the income details, we can see my last earnings, okay? So I invested for 3 days. Was it 3 days? Yeah, 3 days. And I've made 9.32 bucks, okay? And that's cool. I missed these 7-day plans because 7-day plans, you go for longer so you don't have to renew the plans every so often, so you'll earn more. But now all these 7-day plans, they're constantly busy, so it's hard to catch one right? So I'm rolling with this one right now, and then from there I will probably go back to. It depends, because most of the times I'll be sleeping, so probably we'll go back to these ones right here, where you make 4% in 3 days, 4% in 3 days. So if you divide this calculator, 4% divided by 3 days, that's 1.33%. Okay. Whereas if you make 2.4 per day, so if you compound every 24 hours times 3, that's 7.2%. Damn, that's a big difference. That's a big difference. So that's 3.2% difference. Okay, so it makes a difference in the long run. Okay, it makes a difference in the long run. So I might consider, but the thing is, I'm not gonna be able. I need to find a good time where I can compound um every 12 hours. Okay, so I need to find a good time. So probably around 6 o'clock. So 18 till 6 and 6 till 18. So that will be a good time. So I'll have to drag the time a little bit more. So tomorrow, when I unlock this plan, the Falcon plan, I will go back in around 5 or 6 in the morning, and then 5 or 6 p.m. in the evening, I'll be able to go back in again and so on. Okay, so that's my plan. That's what I'm looking to do on my next enrollment with Falcon plan. Okay, but yes, guys, those are the updates. So we have the new plan right here, and you have the Rolex where you can earn some, little rewards for you to be active in the platform. Okay, every 2 to 3 hours. Okay, and that's that, guys. That being said, all the links going to be down in the description. So this project is going to be 3 months old that I've been rolling with. Okay, in 6 days' time, it's going to be 3 months old that I've been rolling with, and so far, so good. No complaints at all. Okay, so if you come over here to income details, we can see that I have started on 8th of July 2023, and today is the 2nd of September 2023. So July, August, and now we are landing in September. Okay, so 3 months, and I cannot complain, right? So all good so far, so good, and the withdrawals they work as well. Otherwise, I wouldn't be rolling with this project no more. That being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.